I carry business cards with me a lot. Well, at least I used to. But most of the time I would either end up forgetting to put them in my wallet, so I ended up buying a business card holder. But I would also always forget to reach for it to give somebody my business card, but I would always end up reaching for my wallet for whatever reason. One thing that I never ever forgot was my phone. So here I had a dilemma that was a little bit silly, but an unfortunate one at that from a business standpoint, and the folks over at TapOn were generous enough to offer their help in this matter. So here I've actually got just one business card, a thicker one than the paper ones that you're used to seeing, but one that is the size of any other credit card or ID card out there, and one that replaces the equivalent of every single business card you could ever have on your side. But this is all that you need to carry with you. But also stay tuned for a very special giveaway that I'm going to be offering more details to at the end of this video. But here's the one business card to rule them all. Let's dive in. This video is sponsored by TapOn, the makers of this wonderful business card that I've admittedly fallen in love with, and considering how useful it's been in my day-to-day. And if you're somebody that carries a lot of business cards, then let me tell you all about this one. The exterior design consists of plastic like any other card in your wallet. It's just as thick and durable as any other card. Just like a regular business card, you can design it online, whether it's with the tools on the website, or you can upload your own design if you want to. And just make sure that you've got the front of the business card and place your order right from there. And if you're a better designer than me, you can expect an even nicer card than this one. On the back, it's just my name and the QR code, and this is in case you end up meeting somebody that doesn't have a smartphone with an NFC reader, and instead they can just use your camera to scan for that QR code. And it's a very simple design that just works. So what makes this card so special is that it operates off of NFC, and it's as simple as just taking out your phone and putting the business card right underneath, and it's going to instantly scan it and offer a link on your smartphone, and just tap on that link and you're going to see all of your information all across it. And they'll need to give a physical card to whoever you're speaking to, or to even carry anything else on you. Everyone carries their smartphone with them. Most smartphones already support NFC. No need to go back and make any changes or reactivate it for them, so it is going to be a very simple process for anybody. So the process of setting up your business card is going to be incredibly simple, and I'm going to walk you through how to do just that. So for that, I'm going to have to switch over to the live screen, so let's go ahead and do that first. And now that we're here, you should be able to see that now we are looking at the TapOn website, and you would have to make an account first and foremost, obviously, in order for you to be able to customize your card. Once you have entered all of your credentials here, all that you have to do is go ahead and click on login, and then from there, it should take you straight onto the store. And here we are. And you're going to notice that right here on my account, you're going to see that there's quite a bit of information. Like over here, you're going to notice that there's going to be my name, and then there's going to be a little snippet of information here in About Me section, if you will. And there is also going to be exactly that information down here. It's just kind of being put back and forth here, even though they do have a biography section that you can edit on your own if you would like to. And you can also go ahead and include an email address over here. You can include a link to your website. You can include a link to your YouTube, your Twitter, and your Instagram. And since I don't have a website of my own, I just kind of went ahead and put in my Twitch in there instead. However, I can edit all of this by just going ahead and clicking on this Torque screw, and I can just click on edit profile like this, and then it should take me to the editor section, and then both of these are essentially the same. However, what's going to happen is that when somebody goes ahead and they scan your card with their phone, they're going to be taken right over to this page, and this is everything that they're going to see: all of your social media, your biography and About Me section, your name, and any kind of photo that you end up putting there. And this is what it's going to look like after clicking on update profile. Essentially, they're going to be looking at a page that is going to look just like this, and it's just going to have all of your information in one place, which makes it super easy to set up and super easy to access for anybody. It's just a very efficient way of going about it. And that's it. And my TapOn business card has been incredibly useful, and I'm very happy to say that I don't have to carry around an assortment of cards with me anymore. But you're not limited to just a business card. You can get yourself a tap case for your smartphone, though that is something to look forward to in the future, a tap tag, which is more like a keychain, and a set of cards if you would like, in case you want more than just one. And now as for that special giveaway, we're going to be giving away one TapOn business card, one lucky winner for you to customize. Just click on the link in the description, and then you just need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and register for a TapOn account. The details are going to be down in the description. And if you need more ways of promoting your YouTube channel and or have a business that needs promoting, then this is going to be the ideal way to go about it. Best of luck in this giveaway. Thank you so much to all of you that stuck around and watched the entire thing, and I very much hope that you end up winning one of these business cards in the end. Now with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all later. Enjoy.